Urban Gardening 2025. Grow your own food in any space. As cities grow denser and the cost of living continues to rise, a new wave of eco-conscious citizens is turning to urban gardening not just as a trend, but as a lifestyle. In 2025, it's no longer necessary to have a backyard or even a balcony to grow fresh produce. From vertically wall planters to modular indoor hydroponics, urban gardening solutions have become compact, stylish, and oh so powerful, and more accessible than ever. Whether you're in a studio apartment in Sao Paulo or a rooftop flat in Istanbul, you can grow lettuce, herbs, tomatoes, and even strawberries with minimal space. This shift reflects a broader movement toward food sovereignty and resilience. People want control over what they eat, how it's grown, and how much waste they produce. Composting kits are now standard in many apartments, and citywide seed libraries are trending as tools of empowerment. Tech-driven gardening is also booming. Smart sensors and AI-integrated watering systems now monitor plant health, optimize growth cycles, and send real-time alerts to your phone. No more guessing when to water or fertilize. Your indoor jungle tells you. These innovations not only simplify the gardening process for beginners, but also increase yields in tiny spaces. With LED grow lights tuned to plant-specific spectrums and app-guided tutorials, more urbanites are mastering the art of growing microgreens on shelves or basil on their kitchen counters. In a world where food security is becoming more personal, growing your own food is now seen as a form of digital age, self-care, and self-defense. Meanwhile, vegetable gardens are returning to the heart of the community. Literally, neighborhoods are transforming abandoned lots into shared, edible landscapes where tomatoes grow next to public benches and kale lines the sidewalk. Children learn to sow seeds as part of their school curriculum, while older residents pass down traditional planting wisdom. The rise of garden activism blends permaculture principles with social equity, making healthy food available to everyone. These communal gardens also serve as mental health sanctuaries, where city dwellers can unplug and reconnect with natural rhythms. With climate shifts accelerating, such green spaces are not just nice, they're necessary. Think of Mediterranean herb boxes with thyme, oregano, and rosemary in color-coordinated planters, or small Japanese-style vegetable gardens with compact daikon, shiso, and mizuna arranged in Zen patterns. These aren't just gardens, they're visual art and culinary laboratories. People photograph them, share their evolution on social media, and use them as wellness rituals. The act of tending to plants has become a form of mindfulness that complements yoga and meditation. As gardening merges with design and therapy, it's clear that growing your own food is no longer just practical, it's beautiful.